Friends, in this video we are discussing one of the new lesson in 5th standard, that is inventions and discoveries in the world. So what are the new things discovered by the peoples or invented by the peoples? So what are the materials we are discussing in this lesson? These are the things that is must and should need for our daily life. Without these are the things we cannot live. Not only this one, why people they invented so many of things, or they discovered that there are other some of the parts. Why means because of we can see human life is like a flowing of water. There is no shape, there is no directions, there is no way of speed of rivers, that flowing speed. Same that like only our society also. Always we want to change our thinking capacity, lifestyle, our tradition, our practice, some other matters. So in that based we can see in ancient times when the human beings came in earth, on that time how now we are living this like of lifestyle we cannot see in that time. Peoples they don't know how to wear the dress or how we want to collect the food and language, and they don't know script means writing, and that time they don't know how to build the shelter facility means houses, and they not lived a permanent place or particular place. They always roaming one place to another place, because where they getting the food, there they build the shelter. After that if they finish that one food, after that they're changing the places. So these like of situations we can see in ancient time. But afterwards when he observed the nature of our earth, after that he studied how to grow the crops or some animal husbandries or lifestyle of the peoples, how to wear the dress. He discovered so many of things, invented so many of things. So in that about only, in this class we are discussing what was the needed things discovered by human beings. And another point, and he did so many of inventions. What are the new things invented by human beings? So these are the matters we are discussing in this class. So before that we want to know what is mean by inventions. So inventions means here they given a thing or product that is designed by a first time. So any things or any materials human beings they created that one as a first time. We cannot see that like of materials in any time. First time only we are seeing that like of materials. So this only they called as a inventions. So inventions and discoveries, what are the materials they discovered or invented, all the things need for human beings for their daily life. Without these are the things we cannot live. So that about matters only we are discussing. What are the new things discovered or invented by peoples. So that about only we are discussing in this class. So here they are saying that only in ancient times peoples one by one, step by step, they discovered so many of things. Still now, that is most useful things still now. So which are the things? For example, first of all, yeah, they are saying ancient times, peoples they discover, human beings they discovered by fire. Before that, they don't know. We want to boil the food, after only we want to take. That like they don't know. Without the boil, they took the food in ancient time. So afterwards, they learn how to discover the fire, or how to use the fire. So on this based, after that they boil the food and they take. So these like we can see in ancient time. After that here they are saying, after that we can see idea of farming. In ancient times peoples they learn about how to use the fire. After that how to cultivate the land, how to grow the crops in land. I already told before that peoples they don't know how to cultivate the land. They always traveling one place to another place. They always shifting their places, because where they getting the food, till there they using that one food. After that food is full empty, after that they changing the place, because of they don't know how to grow the foods, or how to grow or cultivate the food crops. They don't know. So afterwards, human beings, they learn how to cultivate the land. This is second one important procedure in our human life. So after the third one here, they say after human beings, they discover wheel. So this is one of the important inventions are discovered in human history. So now still we can see that wheel now changed our whole society. So when human beings, they discovered by wheel, after that we can see so many of changes happen in our society. People, they started to travel one place to another place. They observing the nature. Not only this one, so human beings also, they are developed. They utilize the resource. So on that base now we can see the revolution of wheel. The whole world, the structure of the world is fully changed. Till before the discovery of wheel, the human beings, they live like a tribes or like animals. So when they discover the wheel, easily what he produced of food, he can shift one place to another place, and he can travel one place to another place. So on the time, there are so much of uses in the wheel. So these, like we can see ancient times, human beings, they produced or they discovered by so many of things. And what are the materials they invented, or what are the materials they discovered, all are most useful for human beings. Without these are the materials, we cannot live in our earth. Still now, still present situation, still now, what was the things human beings invented or discovered? So now we are discussing one by one that only. So what was the matters, or what are the things we are discussing in this class? These are the things is very important for human life. So without these, we cannot live. So in that here, the first one they given, that is paper. Paper is one of the important invention did by human beings. So now we want to know paper here they given. Paper is invented by, who is discovered by China, the country of China. They used in 2000 years ago. Before that, before the China papers, what we are using present papers, this one discovered by China. Before that here they say, who is used, or what was the things they used as a paper? For example, in Egypt civilization, that is one of the important civilization in the world. That is one of the ancient civilization also. So they also used like a paper. They used as a leaf of papyrus. The leaves of papyrus they used as a paper. In beginning, in ancient times, they don't know what we are still now using the papers. These like a papers, they don't know how to use or how to produce. So on that time, in ancient times, they used paper as the leaves of papyrus. That only they used as a papers. But after that, the Chinese, they discover how to use the paper, or they invention the new things as a to write, the purpose of writing, that is paper. So here they given the paper, the from of hemp. Hemp means here they saying a plant. In first time, what they discovered or invention by Chinese people, or the country of China. So they discovered in plants, means in trees, they produced by paper. So this is one of the important discover in our society or in our world. So still now using the paper, the purpose of writing. Without the paper, now we cannot live. This is one of the important things in our daily life. So now we understood one of the important inventions by human beings, that is paper. Who is discovered the paper? China. Before that, we are used as a paper, not a paper. We used the leaves of papyrus as a paper. In ancient time, the writing some of the things, or we got some of the evidence. In which part or which things we got the evidence in ancient times? That is in leaves of papyrus. So after that only China, they discovered by paper. This is one of the important thing. Okay, now we want to know second one important things we need. That one also invention by human beings. So here they given, that is printing press. So in 1440, a German person in 1440, on that time a German person, here they saying person name here, Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg is discovered by one of the new things or machine, that is here they saying by printing press. Because of, we can say ancient time, China they discovered by the papers, but when they started to write, that is not a easy method to spread or to give to that papers or what they written that message want to spread to all the side or all over the world. That is not easy. So in that purpose, Gutenberg is discovered by one of the new machine, that is printing press, to purpose of print a paper. Who is discovered printing press? That means Gutenberg, Johannes Gutenberg, in the year of 1440. On that time, a German person, Johannes Gutenberg, is discovered by printing press. So next year they say, so when they discovered the printing press, that is on that time in all over the world, or in especially in European countries, rapidly they spread to aim, or they started to read the books and they started to write a books. Because on the time that is become very easy. Still that much time people only they want to write by hand. If any message or any books they want to write, by hand only they want to write. But when Gutenberg they discovered the printing press, that is became very easy. That press only, that printing press only, they typing the words. So these like of situations happen after the discovery of printing press. So many people they took uses of printing press. So when that printing press is invention by or discovered by Gutenberg, after that the structure of the European countries fully changed. European countries become very developed because the knowledge was spread all over the world. That also very easily because the printing machines are there, they can print easily and they can publish the books also very fast. So this is one of the important inventions did by human beings. So after that here they say, today we can see on the replacement of printing press, we can see nowadays computers. Computers now they took the place of printing press. They also now very easy to type or to publish books. So these are the important two inventions did by human beings. One is paper, second one is printing press. Both also very useful for human beings. Without these things, we cannot survive in our earth. So these are the important points about some inventions. So next class, next video, we can discuss next some other discoveries did by human beings. Okay, thank you.